Health insurance companies deny about 1 in 6 in-network claims. 40% of those denials get reversed on appeal, but fewer than 1% of people ever appeal. That math doesn't work in your favor unless you change your behavior. Let me tell you what they're counting on: that you'll get a denial letter, feel overwhelmed, and give up. Most people do. That's why denials are profitable. Here's how to fight back. First, read the denial letter. Actually read it. Denials have specific codes and reasons. The most common: not medically necessary, prior authorization required, out-of-network provider, or experimental treatment. Each of these has a different appeal strategy. Second, request the clinical criteria they use to deny the claim. You have a legal right to this under the Affordable Care Act. Insurers must tell you exactly what standard your claim failed to meet. Sometimes the denial is because they applied the wrong criteria. Sometimes there's a documentation gap your doctor can fill. Third, file a formal internal appeal immediately. You have at least 180 days from the denial date. Write a letter that states, "I am formally appealing the denial for service. I am including documentation. I request a decision within 30 days." Get your doctor to write a letter explaining why the treatment is medically necessary. Specific language matters. Use the same terms the insurer used in the denial. Fourth, if internal appeal fails, request an external independent review. This is the most underused tool in healthcare. An independent third party, not employed by the insurer, reviews your case. In external reviews, patients win 40 to 60% of the time. The insurer is legally required to implement the decision. Fifth, file a complaint with your state insurance commissioner. Every state has one. Complaints create a paper trail and sometimes accelerate resolution. You are not powerless here. The system is designed to feel that way. But there are rules, there are rights, and there are processes, and they work when people actually use them. Free health insurance appeal template at https://fundbiz.gumroad.com. Free health insurance appeal letter template at https://fundbiz.gumroad.com.